Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out the alternatives configurator. So alternatives configurator is available in the system section of AntiX control center. Go to click on that, and the alternatives is a we can say choose an alternative group. So for example, best example is editor. So here you can see there are multiple editors available in AntiX. So you can choose any one of the alternatives for your usage. So right now by default the nano is chosen as the editor, system editor. You can go to E3EM, you can choose that. You can go to the MC edit, you can use that. You can also use Vim Tiny. So you have to just click here, so it will select and it will enable the Vim Tiny editor as the default editor for the system. That's very easy. Similarly, the GNOME text editor, there is only list tag, but you can add more GNOME editors, and then you will have option here, and you can just select whichever option you want as a default. You can see here in the browser right now Opera is the default browser. So whenever any system will try to open any web page, by default it will open in Opera. You can change it and you can make the Firefox as default. So it's very easy. Just a click here and it will do the work. For V, you can see there is two editors are there. You can use V and you can use Vim Tiny. X cursor themes. So here you can use any of the cursor themes. So you can change the cursor themes from here only. You can use index theme. Then there are multiple BNZ black, BNZ white cursor theme. You can also go with the Oxy black, Oxy white theme. Advaita theme is there. By default, the BNZ black theme is the default cursor theme. So you can change the cursor theme also. You can change the X session manager. If there are multiple session managers, you can choose between one for the X session. And here for the terminal emulator, you can either go with the Rockstar, which is default, or you can use the URXVT. Now the default window manager for AntiX is ISWM, but you can go with JWM, you can go with the Fluffbox, or you can go with the Herb's Lift window manager. And now the browser also I just showed you. So AntiX Viewer is there, Firefox, USR, Opera, and the Xlinks is also there. So these are the browsers available. Opera as default, you can choose any one of them alternatively. Now in V you can see MC View and the VM Tiny is there. So two options are available. You can just choose any one of them and make it default. In NVIDIA only one is there, so we don't have multiple NVIDIA. So if you want multiple drivers installed, then I think there will be option. For example, you got 535 and 545 drivers, then you can choose between them. But I think only one NVIDIA driver is there by default in all the systems. So here only you will get one options. But if it is possible to have two NVIDIA drivers, then you can have this option. But I think I have not seen any Linux distribution with two NVIDIA drivers and option to select between the two. Then you can see here in CPP there is only one CPP, that is a C++, user bin C++. Only one option is there, and these are the some standards for the C language. So C89, C99. So C89 will give backward compatibility. Nowadays all the code is as per the C99 standard for the C language. And in Automate you can see Automate version 1.16 is default. So there are not multiple Automates right now installed, but if you are in having a programming environment, it is possible that you have got multiple Automates. ERP tables, that is the address resolution tables, address resolution protocol tables. So only one is there. In aptitude, so only one is there. Anything else exciting thing? Okay. Fonts, no. Yes. What is this? GLX? Yes. So this is the your graphics library. So to change the graphics mode, you have got Bumblebee, Mesa Diverted, and NVIDIA. So we are using NVIDIA because we installed the NVIDIA proprietary driver. So this will be the default one. You can also use Bumblebee to change the graphic modes. It is available here. You can see it here. So three methods for changing the graphics mode is available: NVIDIA, Bumblebee, and the Mesa Diverted. You can see IP tables NFT and IP tables legacy is there. IP tables NFT is the default one. You can change and go back to IP tables legacy, but I cannot assure you what will be the result because I have not tried that. I have not experimented. Maybe in some later video we will do that also. IP tables, IP6 tables. So here we got IP6 tables legacy and IP6 tables NFT. So same option is there. Okay. Yes. Now there are two compressors available. So LZMP is there and the XZ is there. So any one of the compressors you can use to compress the system image or any files. So this is the we can say algorithms to compress the your system files. MP3 decoders, there are two, MPG321 and the MPG123. So you can use any. By default the system uses MPG321. I think this is the latest one. And there is MPG123, there also it is same. So this is encoder and one is decoder. So this was the decoder and this is the encoder. So two are there, MPG123 and MPG321. So you can use any one of them. For encoding system is using MPG123, but you can change over to MPG321 also. And what is this? Maybe it is mount. I don't know exactly. NVIDIA open. Okay, now there are two options: run mailcap and XDG open. So XDG open is the default one here. So there will be many more. So I think we should now stop here. You got the idea what is the alternatives configurator in AntiX control center. So I will stop the video here. See you in the next video with some more features and utilities of AntiX Linux distribution. Bye bye.